MR360 is a novel technology developed by the Computational Media Innovation Centre that provides realistic lighting of virtual objects in 360 captured environments to seamlessly blend the real and the virtual, contributing to higher levels of immersion and presence. MR360 can be used on both Unreal Engine and Unity. Today we will walk through how to set up MR360 in Unreal Engine. To start, create a new Unreal Engine project. Once your project opens, and you have the MR360 Toolkit plugin downloaded and have received your license, you can drag the plugin into your projects folder. You will also need to copy over the MR360 and Movies folder into your project's contents folder. All this will be supplied when you download our plugin. Once you have added these files into your project, you will need to restart your project. Navigate to the Plugins tab and scroll down to the bottom. You should find a plugin titled MR360. Enable both and restart your project. Now let's start setting up MR360 in our scene. First, we will need to go to our project settings and in rendering, post-processing, set custom depth stencil path to enable with stencil. We will start by creating a new level. Give it a name, and open the level. Now drag in a plane. Set its location to World Center to 000 and scale it up to 10 on all axes. Now we will drag in our MRK controller. Go to the top here, search MRK controller and drag it into your scene. Make sure to reset the position to World Center. Now let's add a 360 video. This could be a 360 video that you have captured or one you have downloaded. Drag your video file into your sample videos folder in your level blueprints. Right click and search int. Select the one target is MRK controller. Then connect the event begin play to the int. Now we need to right click again and search media open. Again, making sure this is linked to the MRK controller. Now your level blueprint should look like this. We can now select our media source, our 360 video, compile, and close this level blueprint. Now when we press play, our video will start. Now we can set up our space with assets. Drag and drop one of your assets into your scene. As you can see, our object is invisible. To set up assets, go to your Objects Details panel, scroll to Rendering, navigate to Render Custom Depth Paths, enable this, and change the custom depth stencil value to 255. Repeat this step for all assets you put in your scene. You can do this for one or more at a time. Our asset is now visible in our scene, but we do not have any shadows. To fix this, select the plane we placed earlier. Change the material to MT_DF shadow matte like the previous asset, navigate to Rendering, render custom depth paths and enable. But this time change the custom depth stencil value to 1. Press play. Now the MRK controller has automatically updated the light source in real time, lighting our assets appropriately and creating shadows. While in play mode, if I go to our MRK controller and deselect enable on our light detection, you can see what our environment would look like with our MR360. And in addition, we can go to Show Mask Slow. This will show us a light mask indicating where our lights are located. We have our primary light source, the sun, being detected in real time. MR360 extracts features such as softness, direction and intensity so we can match the lighting and shadows of our virtual objects with the real-world environment. I have built this dynamic scene off camera to give another example of our technology. You can see without light detection enabled here, our objects have default lighting. This dramatically affects the feeling of immersion in the environment. But if I go and turn light detection on, you can see a dramatic difference in lighting and shadowing. With our toolkit, artists can now focus on designing immersive experiences, spending less time manually setting up lighting for scenes. MR360 provides real-time rendering of lighting to blend virtual objects into real-world captured environments seamlessly. Thank you for watching.